but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Yo guys, this is the artist Tolg, and we just finished a special drawing. It's Gogeta Blue in a very dynamic pose, charging his special rainbow attack. I have to say I'm very happy with the final result. I think it looks amazing. Drawing characters in dynamic poses is not easy, but I think I did very well on this one. As we reached 1000 likes on the dynamic Gogeta Blue drawing video, I had to keep my promise and draw Gogeta in a dynamic pose as well. And if you reach 1000 likes with this video as well, I will draw another character of your choice in a dynamic pose too. Therefore you just have to comment below which character you want to see next. The comment with the most likes will be the next dynamic drawing. And I have to mention that I used this drawing of Naruto as a reference. I was searching for dynamic poses on Google and this came up. I love the pose, but the artist is unknown. If you know the artist, let me know in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do that right now guys. That's the biggest support you can give me for free. Also hit the bell icon so you will get a notification each time I upload a new video. Don't miss anything guys. This original drawing of Gogeta is now available on my Etsy shop, so make sure to check that out and get yourself this single original piece. Email me for commission at arttolg@gmail.com. Let's create a custom design especially for you. I will also upload this drawing as a real-time drawing video on my second channel, so make sure to subscribe there as well. All the links down below. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.